A powerful windstorm hit Mornington Peninsula early in the morning on September the 2nd. I was lucky enough to be chosen by the gods of the wind to have the boundary fence between my property and the next door property blown down completely. In the afternoon I took a walk through Beleuea Park to go to Bunnings. Here is some of the storm damage along the way. These fallen branches just missed the bus shelter in Beleuea Park. Further along the pathway we see a gum tree which is completely blown down across the path, completely blocking it. Look at the size of this branch where it is sheared off from the main trunk of the tree. A bit further along the path there's another gum tree, again blocking the path completely. Apparently we had winds of 70 kilometres an hour with gusts in excess of 100 kilometres an hour last night. No wonder there's so much damage. Happy days. You know, if you were to click on that subscribe button, that would let me know that you enjoyed the video and encourage me to make more for your viewing pleasure. So, go ahead and subscribe. You know you want to.